My name is Sam McCoy and I'm president of the National Association of S-Gaugers. I belong to the NASG because it gives me an opportunity to meet people who have the same interests that I do. I get to go to the conventions, I get to spend time with friends, and above all, the best part of the hobby is sharing it with people who have the same interests. I encourage you to join the NASG so you can do the same. Thanks.
So this is all one piece? These are, they come out of the trailer, following the rest of it.
Well, we had a couple of go around one day. Some of the old styrofoam's got quite a few extra holes. Hole gets a little larger.
Anyway, he followed that plan on this little model, and I'm talking real small. Yeah, Z-gauge is small, much smaller than Z-gauge, just to get an idea of what it's going to look like. And then from that, we made some minor modifications to what you see, but it's basically that little tiny, 1/100 scale layout. And it's basically styrofoam, ivory cowling, plywood. It's just really beautiful. Almost all that contributed to that guy out there. He's just got that. A lot of this stuff is HO. You just jack it up a little bit, open up the door that they have. And it's got the front yard all the way. Is this a wall of light? Yeah, but you got people light outside. The only thing is to see it better with the slide from the front.
They're on the top of the list.
I'm not even sure if this
We actually just went across that bit. Oh yeah.
No, I'm going to, as soon as I figure out what I get into it, you know, I'll give them slice it in half. No. I told you I picked for the thing and I didn't get it. Now I'm going to go back to Chick and tell them, what is it? I don't know.
I'm probably assuming it's the digital code. Maybe an old I don't know. When I go back to check and say, give me the paperwork.
Hi, my name is Hank Worrell, President of South Jersey AsG. Behind me is our new layout that's been 8 years in the making, and we've decided to make a sectional layout that now has 2 levels and can handle AC, DC, and DCC on all rails. It's our inaugural run in Massachusetts. This is our inaugural run of our new layout, which has been in the working stages now for the past 8 years, replacing a layout that only had 1 level. We now have 2 levels, incorporating 4 loops of track, one of which is a point-to-point, also having the capability of running AC, DC, and DCC, incorporating some American Flyer accessories and lots of scale scenery. We also have the turnouts on them have been made by a club member, which are closed frog turnouts, allowing us to operate American Flyer, high rail, and scale locomotives and rolling stock. We have several other features on the layout that are new, such as a animated track gang, which was made by Willard Animations, specifically for S. We have a lot of scale things, and one thing about the layout is all of the features that you see on the layout, when it gets taken down, stays on the layout. There is nothing physically that we will have to put on the layout from show to show.
We assumed it was a trick. I just assumed it was a what is the percentage? Is it 4? Is it 100? Is it 10? No, we didn't know. Without the book sometimes, without the individual decoder's manual, which would have the actual settings for that decoder.
I'm going to take it back to him in the box and figure it out.
No problem. I mean, it would be, I think sometimes you need to know, you have to have the actual book for that particular model decoder to know what the settings are. I mean, whoever was helping us last night was, might have been Wayne or whatever we're doing. He said, He said, do you have the actual book? And I said, no. He said, then I would be afraid to tell you. You could screw everything up. You don't know what number to enter. It's loose. No, it's loose near this pole. No, it's the one near the pole. Yeah, Tom.
I'm asking from design for some inside. Three of those.
Right along in here is actually the big boat that go in there. Yeah. So we had to move it over because it was tight. There's so little area to take it down. Yeah.
And then that was I got the rack system also. We're bringing our talking about those lights, especially over here. It's not
And what I did is I'm coming back from the Atlantic City Convention Center one day, and a really tight thing like that, and I took a bunch of pictures of and kind of sort of modeled it after that. I like the way you have aside from the whole. Right. What's the track? The track is
I'm on.